Hello everyone, I am Professor Dilshad Begum, Assistant Professor from Department of Life Sciences, Indian Academy Degree College, Autonomous, Bangalore. Today I am delighted to be here to teach a topic on social issues and environment, Unit 4 in Environmental Studies subject. The topic of my discussion is National Mission for Clean Ganga. Rivers are vital for our planet as they play a crucial role in supporting life. In India, we do have several river basins which are flowing across the country and supply water for more than 400 million Indians. Among them, the Holy Ganga alone supports 43% of population, and which is the longest flowing river, which covers a distance of 2525 km before it enters into Bay of Bengal. It originates in western Himalayas and from the Gangotri glacier in Uttarakhand state. Holy Ganga is not just a water body, it is considered or it is given a permanent place or sacred river place in Hinduism. It is our high cultural icon, spiritual heritage and life supporting resource. But unfortunately, due to rapid urbanization, industrialization, and population pressure, so Holy Ganga has been considered to be the highly polluted river basin in our India. This not only affects the aquatic life, but it is also going to give an end danger to the health and also subsequently affect the communities which all depend on them. So, to overcome and tackle this life crisis, our Government of India has launched a national mission for Clean Ganga in 2014 under Namami Gange program under our honorable leadership of our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And it is under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. It mainly aims at restoring the health of River Ganga. Let us broaden our lens and understand what are the different mission or the objectives of this national mission for Clean Ganga. So the first objective is treating domestic sewage before it enters into river. This is the most crucial step taken by the mission because this is important to combat the water pollution. And sewage water has to be treated before it enters into the river bodies. It has to be treated in the sewage water treatment plants. Under this mission, several sewage water plants have been set up where more than 1,000 plants have been set up across the country, and that includes the several stages of removing the water contaminants which are collected mainly from the domestic sources. The second important objective of this national mission for Clean Ganga is reducing industrial pollution through regulation and treatment technologies. As we all are aware that prevention is better than cure. So this second objective, it mainly aims in having a strict regulations and adopting the advanced technologies at the industrial level so that it can go into a cleaner production methodologies that can reduce the runout of the industrial pollutants into the nearby water bodies. The third main objective of this mission is promoting sustainable agriculture to reduce runoff of fertilizers and pesticides. So we all are aware about sustainable agricultural practices like the adopting practices like integrated pest management, crop rotations and so on. We can reduce not only just the usage of these harmful fertilizers and pesticides which will run out to the nearby water bodies, but we can also maintain the soil health and also prevent the soil erosion. So this is the third important objective of this national mission for Clean Ganga. The last objective, the most important, is creating awareness among the public. That is creating awareness and public participation, which is considered to be the major step which is taken by this mission, which conducts various public awareness campaigns across the country so that it can educate the people to understand about what is environment and what are the effects of having the pollution with the environment. Under this mission, several campaigns have been set up across the cities and the towns across the country, and which has given a wonderful results. Thus, the Executive Committee of National Mission for Clean Ganga has approved 7 projects worth Rs 285 crores which are running successfully and which is mainly aiming at Clean Ganga. National Mission for Clean Ganga is not just a cleanup effort, it is a holistic river basin management approach. Let us broaden our lens to understand another topic called river rejuvenation. Now, rejuvenating is nothing but a river which bringing back to a state of ecological balance, which a highly polluted river has been brought it back to its ecological balance, which ensures it can sustain the life, which can undergo a free flowing without any hindrance and also support the livelihood. The main process involved in this rejuvenation is restoring the natural flow, which means that removing all the encroachments, ensuring the base flow even in the dry seasons, and also riparian zone restoration, which mainly involves in planting the native vegetations along the river banks. And the third important process involves catchment area treatment, which mainly managing the land usage in the areas which are draining directly into the rivers. The last process involves your groundwater recharge, which increases the water infiltration into the aquifers. The most important great example which we already aware of through this river rejuvenation, the rivers of Yamuna, Mulamutta and Sabaramati, where integrated urban water management community participation has helped in eco restoration, which has shown a very good positive outcomes. Now, river rejuvenation is essential not only for the ecological integrity, but it is also important for water security, agricultural and also the climate resilience. Thank you.